Today we are here to review another baby just behind me here at the Big O and Tom's Motors. We review the car to let you know the exact state the car is in at the moment. Push the ride to see what it has got to offer. Follow me. Driving around somewhere. Woo, my goodness. This car has power. I feel empty. I'm lost. I'm exhausted. These cars are not giving me the weight. Okay guys, let's give it a try. My goodness, did you see that? Woo. Okay, the brakes are also good. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Guys, are you ready? Woo. Guys, not too soon. We have come to the end of our race. I told you this car is amazing. You see the way the engine they open, Charlie, you should have this ride. If you really need to deliver on your work, if you want this car and you don't have the money to buy it up front, please, we can help you. Auto Credit Africa can pre-finance it for you.
Everybody's looking for that song.
Why dream it when you can own it? In today's life, driving a personal car is no more luxury but a necessity. Wondering how to own your dream vehicle at a flexible payment term with no deposit? Look no further. Auto Credit Africa is here. Auto Credit Africa is here to offer all brand new vehicles for a 2 to 5 years payment term to all salary workers of corporate institutes, schools, universities, hospitals, and all staffs under the Controller and Accountant General payroll. Companies in need of official vehicles can also contact Auto Credit Africa for a similar arrangement. Auto Credit Africa. Don't just dream it. Own it.
This car is going for a cool $6,900. $6,900. We'll give it to you. $6,900. I promise you. $6,900. You will love it, please. So if you enjoyed this video, like it, place a comment down there. Don't forget to share. You need to share this content for us. Let it go viral so that we have a buyer for this car.
I still don't see